Afternoon or good evening. I think you're muted, teacher. Hindi kita cannot hear you. Okay. I'm Coach Christian from Domestic Teacher Support, one of the coaches here at 51 Talk. May I know, teacher, what kind of coaching did you book for tonight's session?
It's Quality Check 1.2, Coach.
Okay. So the reason is you've been asked to attend this coaching is because you'll undergo or we will undergo a spot check.
Mm-hmm.
No? And we will check one of your classes right now. We will watch it right now.
Okay, Coach.
So may I know, teacher, when is your last class?
My last class was April 28, and then I got locked because I have sudden bookings that day, and I have
Okay.
2 absences that for the last month, and then I got unlocked when May 1. May 1 ba yun? Or yeah. And then up until now I have no student yet.
Still not locked.
Yes.
But your last
no,
class
I'm not
is
yet. I'm not locked na coach.
okay.
Yeah.
Last class ulit again, teacher?
April 28, coach.
Okay, 28. Oh, no record. Ayun. So, based dito, teacher, sa recordings are 27.
27, okay. Sorry.
That's okay, teacher. So, I'll be sharing my screen. So, this is one of your last class before Kamalak. So, I'll share my screen. So, this is the recording. Can you see my screen now, teacher?
Yes, sir. Yes, coach.
Okay. Teacher, what happened on this one?
This one is as I remember, this was a Sunday and I forgot na nag-open ako ng slot, and then someone notified me in my email na may sudden booking daw ako and absent na. And then after this class is my another class pa ako. Yun yung na-attendan ko. This one is absent ako.
I'll check.
Yes po.
Okay. Okay, ito na nga. 25 minutes ito eh. Okay. So, I'll stop sharing this one, then share another. And so, can you see my screen now, teacher?
Yes, coach.
Okay. So,
A boy or a girl? She's a girl. Yes. What else can you see in the picture? What is this? Wow. What's that? What's that? This is a book. This is a book. Very good. So, Nick, our lesson for today is G is for girl. Please repeat with teacher. G.
It's girl.
Wow, very good. Again, G is for girl. Hi, Nick. You say G is for girl. Yay! Okay, let's go to our lesson. Next page. Ooh, it.
Okay, so I'll stop the recording now. Sorry about that. What can you observe, teacher, sa class? I wanna hear it from you first. Then I'll give you my take.
I observe, siguro sir, on my part, I feel tensed. Kinakabahan.
Anything else?
Mm-hmm. On the appearance, I think it's um, parang shadowy sa likod.
Mm. The only thing that I have concern here, teacher, is your camera angle.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi ang camera angle mo, teacher, is from the bottom pataas.
Mm-hmm.
Parang galing sa baba. So, giving the vibe na parang you're looking down on that person. Parang ganun kasi yung vibe.
Okay po.
But since I can see right now na this is already improved and I think you're using a laptop camera on this one. Am I
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Yun.
This one, the recorded one.
Oh, yes, teacher.
Manicam, yun sir. Yun,
No.
coach.
Yung hardware, yung
Yeah.
mismong camera sa laptop, no?
Yeah.
Kaya ganun yung view niya. But ngayon, are you using external camera?
No, coach. I'm using my
Same lang din.
laptop. Yes po.
So you have a stand or ano?
Actually, DIY coach. Yung
Okay.
box ng shoes, pinatong ko siya
Mhm.
doon. Kaya, para
Ayun.
mag-eye level siya.
That's very good on you, teacher, since yung eye level talaga dapat yung camera and yun yung pinaka-important. Kasi kung hindi siya naka-eye level, may tendency talaga na i-lock yung account nyo na naman
Mhm.
dahil naman dito. But since you already improved this one, we won't be locking your account.
Okay po.
And fortunately, teacher, you passed the spot check.
Okay.
Pag naka-receive kayo ulit ng invite, teacher, please make sure na ganyan pa rin yung background ninyo kasi 2 beses to eh. So, make sure, teacher, na consistent yung view nyo dyan. And also, kung kaya pang dagdagan yung lighting sa likod since medyo madilim lang.
Okay.
Medyo madilim pa yung sa likod. Pero kung kaya pang dagdagan yun, much better.
Sige, coach. Thank you.
Any other concern or questions? I'll add it.
Yun lang naman po yung kailangan ko, yung advice
Yan.
para sa shadow.
So that's it for now, teacher. If you have other questions, you can book another coaching for domestic teacher consultation
Okay.
for general concerns. Since wala pa yung support portal, down pa.
Sige po.
That's all, teachers. Teacher, goodbye.
Thank you, coach.
Welcome.
Ay,